What's up, guys? Cheap Beast aka Noah back today bringing another video. This time we're back at Nike finally. It's been a few unboxings that we only did Adidas. This shoe I'm actually really excited about. It's something that ever since I heard it was announced I've been really excited about. I don't really know why. I just really like the colorway. But yeah, I'm excited about it. So if you guys also haven't noticed, a few updates. There hasn't been a video in like 2 weeks. I didn't have any ideas one of the days, and then didn't have a video, and then I actually got furloughed from my job because of all the craziness that's going on. A few other people got furloughed in my department, so this is probably the last big shoe pickup that I'm going to do for a while until I hopefully get working soon. It's been crazy time for everyone, so not too upset about that because I kind of thought it might happen but didn't think it would happen when it did. So that's kind of why there's been no videos for 2 weeks. I have a few ideas finally. It took me a little bit to think of something, but other than that, this is probably the last unboxing we're going to do for a little bit unless something comes up. Gotta save my money because gotta pay rent and all that kind of stuff. So other than that, nothing's really changing. Just not many unboxings, but I'll try to squeeze in something else in the next few videos. So we'll see what happens. But other than that, let's get straight into the unboxing of these shoes. All right, so obviously we're doing the top-down camera because that's how I do unboxings, and I actually really like it. Just because I think it gives you guys a better close-up, and then easier for me to show you guys the shoes. So, like I said, I'm really excited about these ones. Sadly, it's gonna be warm, and I don't really wear these shoes with shorts, and when in shorts, I can't stand wearing actual longer pants or anything, so I have to wear shorts. So we're gonna be switching up the rotation for a little bit, but it also did just snow here yesterday, so it's not like there's not gonna be time to wear pants, and I always open it up the wrong way. So if you guys can't tell, it's a Jordan box, which I think everyone knows at this point what a Jordan box is if you've seen at least any of my unboxings. I've done one. Actually, that's not true. I've only done one Jordan unboxing. I think it's the last Nikes that I kept. Actually, one of the last pair of shoes that I've actually kept, other than the ones that I have given or sold to my girlfriend because she likes them. So, Jordan box, most recent Jordan, which I'm really excited about, Jordan 1 at least. I was actually a little worried. The box looked kind of small and it felt kind of light, but I noticed that it is in my size. So, I'm pretty happy about that. And here they are. They are the Court Purples. These are actually so sick. These are my first time ever seeing them. I never saw the first Court Purples, so I don't really know what those look like, but these are the new ones for 2020. These are sick. The purple is so nice on them. I don't really have too much purple stuff. Have something actually from Grailed, but that'll be a video later this month. In maybe just a little bit, but these are the Court Purples. I think the 2.0. I don't know, doesn't really say, but these are obviously just nice Jordan 1s, purple. I'm not a leather expert, so I'm not even gonna pretend that the leather is whatever on it, but I don't know, I really like them. These have been the ones that I've been looking forward to for a while, and like I said, I had to pick these up. It was day of, and I think it was like 10 o'clock, so when they released on Sneakers app, and I just went for it, and I was like, I have to get them, so I bought them. And then I was actually really surprised that I got them because I didn't really think I was going to get them. And then I kind of heard that they sat for a while, which is kind of surprising. But I know people aren't the biggest Jordan 1, not Jordan 1, but the biggest fans of these ones. I don't think there's any crazy hype coming up for them. They're obviously a Jordan 1, so they're going to sell out. They just took a while everywhere except for Sneakers because Sneakers sells out fast. But yeah, I mean, just purple color blocking everywhere, purple, black, and white. So they're probably the most colorful ones I have. They're also the only Jordan 1s that I have that are actually white in here, white on the midsole, and then just white in there. So because I have the pine greens and they're black everywhere except for the midsole, which is white, and then I have the New York to Paris, which is a light gray everywhere, but they also might have been white when I first got them because I've had them for a bit now. So, but like I said, these ones are really sick. I'm really happy about them. They come with purple laces, which I don't know if there's another lace. I might have to lace swap them. Never mind, they're black. They have black lace on them. They also come with the purple laces, but I think I'll probably be keeping black because I think it'll look better. But like I said, I don't know how much I'm going to be wearing these. Hopefully a little bit, but these are really sick. And I'm going to show you guys some B-roll of them just right now. All right, so here they are again, the Jordan 1 Court Purples. They actually probably are my favorite Jordans that I own right now. Definitely my favorite pickup of the year. I like the pine greens, but these are definitely a lot better. Something about the pine greens, just the leather on them is a little weird. I still really like them, but I've only worn them a couple times. I was really planning on wearing them on St. Patrick's Day, and then everything kind of in the world just kind of changed. So I couldn't really wear them other than inside, but I don't really wear shoes inside anyways. But these are definitely up there for my favorite Jordans. Everything about them just really cool. The purple really pops. I don't know why. I don't really own anything purple. I've never really been like the biggest fan of purple, but these ones just look really good. And like I said, everything since I've seen them, like pictures of them saying they were releasing, these are the ones like I had to have these. And I think there's not, I don't know about this year, but just in general, the Royals are another one I really want. I'm not the biggest fan of the Chicago. I mean, like, I would obviously wear Chicago ones, but I'm not like trying to find them. But if there's ones that release, I'll obviously get them, or if I can get them. But I like kind of the other colorways, like the blue and the purple. I need a pair of shadows too. But the Court Purples were ones that I definitely was trying to find for a while for cheap, and I just never really wanted to pull a trigger on anything that was too crazy. So here they are, the Jordan 1s, Court Purple, I think 2.0, not really sure. Probably my new favorite Jordans, like I said. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.